guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Luvuno. For those who are new here, welcome and feel right at home. So I'm back home. I'm from town. I wanted to go to Kamkunji and buy some ball plates. I'm trying to find a good angle here. I went to Kamkunji. I wanted to buy some ball plates, but I've gone around Kamkunji and I couldn't find the plates that I wanted, and also the balls. I wanted this type of plates, this type of ball plates. So if you sell them, if you know someone who sells them, if you know somewhere that sells them, please tell me in the comments, because I'm really looking for them. So I didn't find any of the things that I wanted, so I just came back home disappointed. But I went did some shopping for the week. I passed by my local cafe. I bought my lunch. This is just junk food. I bought some fries and chicken, and then I bought bread for the entire week. So this one is going to take me for the entire week. And then I bought several packets of milk to take me for the entire week. So for some reason I really like Mountain Fresh and Mount Kenya whole milk. So I bought 7 of these. So 7 packets of these. So today is Saturday, if I didn't tell you, and I have so much to do in this house. I have to do the laundry, and mind you, I hand wash my laundry. And then I have to clean the entire house. I feel like fainting. Adulting is really hard. So let me just plate my lunch and then put the milk away, and then I'll catch up with you. So I've already put everything away, but I'm asking myself, if I just go and sit, I want to do the laundry. So let me just soak the clothes, so that at the back of my mind, and if I don't do them, they may just stink in the water, and then we'll catch up. So I'm going to soak up the clothes, and then we'll go catch up. Okay.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up.
So now that that's done, let me just sit here and explain myself. I've already plated my fries and everything. Let me set you up so that I can communicate with you why I have not been uploading. But the biggest excuse that I've been suffering from burnout, you guys. So let me just set you up and then I tell you. Hi, so these are my fries. I've already plated them. They are a bit cold because I did not eat them once I arrived here, but they're still okay. So I wanted to talk to you about why I have not been posting. I have been suffering from the biggest burnout, you guys. You know, I was working from home, and then recently we started working from the office, and it's been really hard. You know, I wake up really early. I wake up at around 4:30 and I leave work at around 5, and because of jam I get home at around 7. So by the time I get home, I just do my personal stuff and everything, and my brain is just like, no, it has just shut down. Like, no, I'm not doing anything anymore. So I've been really suffering from that, but I'm planning to change that. So I'm going to be uploading every Saturday or Sunday. I'm still choosing a day that will be more suitable for me to upload, but I think I'll settle down for Saturday, so I'll be uploading videos every Saturday. So I'm really sorry for being that inconsistent, but that's going to change. Really, that's going to change. So I wanted to show you another thing. So Kilimall was running an offer. They were celebrating their anniversary, and I saw these wireless earphones that is, and I thought they were really nice. and they were 86% off, and I thought let me just buy and try them, and they are really really nice, and they bloom really well. This is how they look like, so cute. So, and they were really inexpensive because it was 80% off, 86% off, and they last really long. I actually saw them from a friend, a coworker, and I really love them, so I asked for a recommendation, and he gave it to me, alafu I bought it. So they last for 3 hours after I fully charge them, and they're really nice. I really don't know how to review. I just wanted to show you how cute this thing is. So that's now that that's out of the way, I'm currently watching some TV, and I think I'm just going to watch some TV while I eat my lunch, and then go do my laundry, and then cook dinner. Yeah, that's it. And then clean the house. No, clean the house, cook dinner, and then that's it for my day. But I'm going to show you guys all of that. It's 1 hour later, and I want to wash my laundry. I want to do laundry, that is. I want to wash my clothes, and I feel like fainting, honestly, because I'm going to hand wash them, and the way I've been visiting these YouTube streets and seeing the way people are reviewing their washing machines, I just feel like fainting. I feel like dying, you guys. Like, doing laundry is just too hard. It's a really hard process, but I'm saving up on a machine, but I'm going to be buying it during Black November, because that's the time they have a lot of deals. So I'm going to I'm hoping and praying that I get it earlier, but my plan is I'm saving for a machine so that I buy it during Black November. So that's it. Let me just go do the laundry, and then cry. And then cry about how hard life can be, yo. So let me go do the laundry. Hi, so after I finished doing the laundry, I decided to cook dinner. I made chapati and meat stew. I was so tired, I forgot to film the whole process, but this is how they came out. And yeah, that marks the end of Saturday. Hi guys, welcome. Today's Sunday, and I just came back from the market. I went to buy some fresh produce over there, and then after that I've passed by the supermarket to buy a few things that were missing from my house. So let me just turn you around and show you what I bought. So buying things from the market is so convenient and affordable, especially if you're on an extreme budget like I am. But let me just show you what I got. So I bought all of these tomatoes, or tomatoes, whatever way that is convenient for you. I bought all of these tomatoes for 100 shillings. Can you imagine all of these tomatoes? And right now tomatoes are really expensive. One is going for around 10 shillings or 15 shillings in the estate. So I think that was a really good deal. And then I bought some carrots. Those carrots were going for 50 bob. For the oranges, one was going for 5 shillings, and then all of these onions were going for 100 shillings. And I also bought 3 heads of garlic and some ginger. For all of this, it was all coming up to 80 shillings. And then I also replenished some of the things that were missing from my cabinet. So I bought some soda that is going to be finished by this week, and then I also got some dish soap. I also bought the liquid one. It's somewhere here. Yeah, I bought this one. I bought the small ones because I'm just replenishing them. I have a little still remaining. and then the tissue, kitchen towel, toothpaste. This toothpaste I just got accustomed to it when I was in campus, when I was really seriously broke and hustling. So I bought it because of the buy one get one free, and I've just stuck with it. And then my lotion, because my skin is so sensitive, I just use the Nice and Lovely because it doesn't have a lot of things. And then some cling film, that's a bar soap, some bleach, Omo bleach, kitchen cleaner. There's also Downy over there, some other soap also, some bathing soap that is just replenished a little bit. So that's all I got. These were the errands that I ran. So now I just want to put all of these things away, all of that. I want to wash them, clean them, put them away in the fridge. And then I want to also, I'm preparing dinner. I want to make some stew with some rice over there. So so that's it for today. Today is Sunday, by the way. And for the produce, I bought them from Luvuno market. So it was really, really, really affordable. So if you want me to hook you up, or if you want me to take you, just holler at me. Holler at me and I'll be glad to take you. So let me just cook my dinner today, and then I'll see you tomorrow.